guys, so I'm going to make this really simple face pack. It's very good for scrubbing as well, like a natural scrubber, and it's very good for your acne. So you take some curd and besan, as you can see, and then I will add some turmeric. This is my favorite ingredient for everything. You just grate some turmeric in there. Don't worry about it. You can just directly grate it, and when you just rub off your mask, it'll act like a scrubber. And then I take some cinnamon. Yes, it's very good for acne. I put some cinnamon in it. Cinnamon, I love cinnamon. I just love the smell of it. It gives your face pack such amazing smell. Just grate very little, and then you add some lemon. Yes, I love lemon. I rub it on my skin every day as soon as I wake up. Then some honey. Honey is very important, another favorite ingredient, and then you mix it all. Curd is very good for removing tanning as well. So this is my skin without any makeup after the face pack. This turmeric really does wonders to my skin.